Well, there's breaking news we're tracking at this hour. An important piece of information coming in as we're learning. An important update coming in as Israel has carried out a series of airstrikes late Thursday into Friday, targeting the southern suburbs of Beirut as well as the southern areas in fact, eastern Lebanon is what we're learning. There were loud explosions that could be heard as the strikes lit up the sky. The Israeli army on Thursday night warned residents in the densely operated areas to even evacuate. Traffic in Beirut ground was in fact even halted, asking panicked residents to stop in fact or flee or even seek shelter. Many were forced to remain on the roads, including along Beirut's seaside promenade, sleeping in the cold on thin mattresses. We'll on this hear my colleague Vishal Vivek joining us from the broadcast. Vishal, I understand that the face-off between the IDF and the Hezbollah seems to be intensifying. Walk us through what exactly Iran's stance on this is. And if I understand this correctly, in the 2024, the Hezbollah's military saw a severe damage to it. How exactly are they coming back up in the war?
See, it's safe to say that the head of Hezbollah was long time ago decapitated. It was almost 15 to 18 months ago when that big operation against Hezbollah and its operatives had begun, and almost all the top leadership were removed. But there are still some splinter groups that remain, and they have been still active in and around the southern suburbs of Beirut, and that is where the IDF, the Israeli Defense Forces, seem to be attacking. Every day we are hearing that this seems to be becoming a multi-pronged war. There are different fronts propping up, and Hezbollah in Lebanon seems to be one of the main fronts at the moment, because Hezbollah still has been able to fire some rockets into Israeli skies. Some reportedly have been able to penetrate those skies as well, but Israel is totally heavy on weapons side, so it has been able to inflict damage, but still Hezbollah continues to fire those rockets. So this operation seems to brush off the rest of the remaining whatever Hezbollah fighters remain. So that seems to be the objective right now. Ground operations also began day before yesterday. Israeli forces had gone into the Lebanese territory, and also the fact to be noted here is that the Lebanese government has totally distanced itself from Hezbollah, even gone on to the extent of banning Hezbollah group, which seemed to play a huge role in the politics of Lebanon.
Right.